out there, kids, grab your coats. Been a minute, I know, now I'm back to Rome. Looking for the antidote to crack the code. Pretty sure that I admit it, I'm in classic mode. Don't need pity given to me, but I can't condone. Talking down to me, I'ma have to crack your nose for cracking jokes. I'm looking for the map to hope. You see this? Been making a whole lot of changes. Wrote a song about that, you should play it. I get scared when I walk on these stages. I look at the crowd and see so many faces. Yeah, that's when I start to get anxious. That's when my thoughts can be dangerous. That's when I put on my makeup and drown in self-hatred. Forget what I'm saying. Oh, ain't that something? Drums came in, you ain't see that coming. Hands on my head, can't tell me nothing. Got the taste of the pain and upon my stomach. I don't want it. Wipe my face, clean up my vomit. OCD trying to push my buttons. I said don't touch it. Now y'all done it. Can be critical, never typical. If you give with every syllable, I'm a criminal. It's a rip and never political, pretty visual. Even if you hate it, I make you feel like you're in it though. You told me what you want, but never come forgettable. Maybe even cause I can never swim in the kiddie pool. But then I've been taking the cinematic and beautiful. Man, I don't know if I make movies or music videos. Yeah, the sales can rise. Doesn't mean much though when your health declines.